Good afternoon from out of Africa Lofts. ZAVPU 4395. What a pigeon. Typical speed pigeons in the hand. The father is a Kettlecock that we handpicked in Scotland while we went to buy our blizzards. The father's mother is a full sister to the click hen of Blizzard King Kettle that bred the best bird in Belgium last year for Flanders Correction. The father's mother and father are proven breeders also where we bought them from. The mother is a double line bred Blizzard King Kettle, a super hen that we also selected by hand there. The double grandsire there is one of the best sons of Blizzard on this cock's dam side. He is a typical speed pigeon. He's built like a pyramid, broad in front, one tail feather in the back, superb balance. Fantastic cock, massive beautiful wing, very short forearm here, shows a lot of vitality, magnificent, perfect cock to cross into our old lines. We've had tremendous success again this season already with the Kettle lines, winning a few races and a few semi-firsts and top tens on the first 3 races. So yeah, magnificent. Look at this beauty.